Hello guys! Today I've got the AMAZFIT Active free premium watch and I'm going to show you how to pair it with your Zepp application. So, at first, to pair your watch with the Zepp application, you need to tap on your watch with your finger or just try to turn it with some button. Here, select your language. Let me select here English. Now, here tap this tick icon and you should see this QR code. Download the Zepp application, and once you have it, log in. Let me log in with Google quickly. And now, once you're logged in to your application with any of the accounts, you need to wait a moment. I need to do this somehow different because we're here to have a bit of pairing. Wait a moment. Here we have our code back again. So, at first you need to here tap device and tap here watch. Now you should see this camera. You need to just scan the QR code using your camera. I didn't expect it to be that loud, but here allow and wait a moment. Now it's done. Goodbye.